All right, I am in the tiny little town of Barnsdall, Oklahoma. This is supposedly the childhood town of Clark Gable. Not that he's very relevant anymore, but they claim that they have the world's only Main Street oil well. Built in 1914. Depth of 1771 feet. That's pretty deep. You don't think that they drill that deep, but they certainly do. So it's kind of interesting that this thing is right here, smack dab in the middle of the road here. See, only on this YouTube channel do you get absolutely earth-shattering information like this. I mean, where else are you gonna go to find out what's really going on with oil wells that happen to be in the middle of a street? Nowhere. And also, Oklahoma's Indian-owned casinos think Governor Stitt sucks. Well, that's good to know. But I love how, like, Oklahoma's Indian-owned casinos, as opposed to non-Indian-owned casinos, there are only Indian-owned casinos in Oklahoma. So I don't understand what their emphasis there is. Like there's someone else operating casinos here. Anyway, I guess the governor's doing a really bad job for the casinos. The casinos are suffering here, people. You need to come here and spend more money at the casinos. Sure, on the surface it looks like they're doing well, but apparently they're really struggling. They don't advertise that they got a bunch of loans during COVID that they never had to pay back. That's something they don't advertise, but casinos got loans here that were forgiven. Because, you know, casinos. Where would America be without casinos? We would all be impoverished without casino activity. Anyway, this is Barnsdall. Of course, the second I start filming, people start showing up. There's literally nothing in this town. It's kind of sad because I think this would be kind of a cute little town, but it's definitely kind of a dying town. Anyway, that's enough rambling from me.